Oh, yeah, this is fun, bro. All right, you guys, this is my first time ever riding an adventure bike, and boy do I like it already. It feels really nice. The suspension is like, oh bro, look at it, the way it jumps. It's so smooth. I like it a lot. How is this a Harley, bro? I'm really enjoying this already, and I haven't even started the ride. All right, so riding the 2022 Harley Davidson Pan America. Right now we just got it on the street mode. We'll change through all the different modes, and I can tell you, to start off, on the way the seat feels, it feels really good. I know this one is the 1250 Revolution Max. As you can see, the exhaust is up here, and so I can feel it on my thigh, but that's fine, because once you start moving, it feels good. Oh, and this is weird too. So the signals, it's not traditional Harley signals. So it's kind of more like a adventure, street bike, whatever. It's on one side only, so left and right, versus having one on the right and one on the left, which is pretty cool. I mean, it seems fine to me. How do you... There's the lights. Okay. It's so smooth, bro. And the shifting, wow. Like, the only thing is that it doesn't feel like a Harley, because you don't get that shake. You don't get that little bit of vibration when you're riding. And the suspension is actually really comfortable. Like, I would totally go long distance with this. I would totally 100% do long distance with this. I've also never ridden a bike that had hand deflectors right here from the wind, and I must say it feels pretty good, because it protects you from all kinds of sides from the wind. You got it from on both sides, and then you got this big boy over here, the windshield, which I think is actually automatic, where you can move it up and down. I just can't seem to figure out where to do that from. But it's got some get up for sure. I can feel it. Seems like a lot of fun. It's just so good in every single way. Look at that. That looks good. And by that I mean, like, the way I'm sitting, it feels really good, especially for me being a taller guy. You know, like, I feel like I fit perfectly on this bike. When I can actually flat foot it when my legs are down, so that's not really a problem for me. I've seen some other people on the ride here today that were like kind of tiptoeing it, but for me it seems pretty perfect as far as size goes. But I can tell you one thing that's dangerous about this bike is, right now that I'm on it and I feel the suspension, I kind of want to leave this group and just go off-road with this thing. I wish I can do that, because that sounds like, or that feels like what this bike is actually meant for. Whoa, baby. Yeah, buddy, that Rev Max feels really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it feels really good. The wind, not bad at all because of this thing right here. So even if it does, you can just go under it, duck under it right here, and it will still feel really good. I like it. Alright, I'm gonna change the mood. to sport mode. Alright, shut down and let's go. Ooh, oh, feels good. Feels really good. Yeah, buddy. Very nimble on the sport mode. And the suspension becomes a little harder. I can feel that. But it feels great. Like, I want to get this up on the highway, man. I want to get on the highway. I want to get it up that mountain over there. I just want to ride this everywhere. I want to ride it in that little swamp over there. That's how good this bike feels. My God. Let's see how it does on this curve right here. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, that feels really good. Ooh, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So I've done 3 rides today as far as the demo rides go, and I think this is my favorite so far, to be honest. Like, this feels so good. It feels just right. And like I said, I've never ridden a adventure bike, so I don't know what like a BMW GS would feel like, but I don't know, this feels really good to me. I personally would not get the blue color, even though it looks pretty cool. Ooh, that little bump. I love it because it like throws you up and down, you know. It's so cool. Yeah, I personally wouldn't buy the blue color. I would go for the that darker, I don't know, it's kind of like a black but kind of grayish. That's what I'd go for. Look at all these vultures. But I don't care, it doesn't matter, because that's how fun this bike is. Ooh, ooh. Can we please go off-road? Hey, road captain, can we go off-road? He can't hear me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I am enjoying this thing right here. This is a lot of fun. I kind of want to get on the right side so bad, because it feels like I should. It feels like I should, you know? It doesn't feel like this is meant to be ridden just on the road. It feels like me going 56 miles an hour right now and jumping off-road. That's what it feels like. And it feels like this bike can actually handle doing that. Let's see. Let's see if I ever get tired. Yeah, I can always pull my foot like this. This is so much fun, you guys. Oh my God, this is so much fun. The seat, the stock seat, it's comfortable at first, but after a while it can get a little bit uncomfortable. I don't know what it is, but it feels a little uncomfortable after a bit. I do like this a lot. I would totally buy this and travel with it, like go on a road trip. Just probably get a tour pack on the back and then some saddlebags on the sides, and we'd be good to go, man. This thing is lovely. There's that Sports to Rest right behind me. That will definitely take some getting used to, the signals being on one side only. It's the same sheriff again. That's hilarious, bro.
Flashback.
I like it.
End of flashback.
Yeah, so look at that. I can flat foot it down there. So for me, this is perfect. Yeah. But for me, this feels really good. Oh yeah. It's got the cruise control right here, which we're gonna try. Okay. And then you can adjust the levers, which is pretty cool, like straight from the factory. All right, we're gonna hit it. Yeah, this is fast. This is fast. I like it a lot. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I like this a lot, man. Ooh. This is putting some bad thoughts in my head, you guys. Oof, 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 oof. Bad thoughts meaning that I want to buy one, but I can't really buy one now. But whatever, dude. This is so good. So good. So freaking good. I wonder if they make aftermarket bars for this. I can probably reposition it upwards a little bit. I think I can do that, because I probably would do that. This is one of a kind, I can tell you that for sure. At least based on my experience and based on the bikes that I've ridden in the past. So while I'm here, let's try this. This is the adventure mode. Okay. And here's the rain mode. It's definitely not even close to being throttly, which would make sense. Okay. Change it back to road mode. And let's try out the cruise control. Okay. And then let's set it. And it's set at 50 miles an hour. Go ahead and decrease the speed and set it again. It's set at 40. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna increase it a bit. There we go. 45. No hands. This is perfect. This cruise control is amazing, you guys. Sheesh. What is up? Yeah, this cruise control like is a fucking game changer. No way, no wonder it's back ordered by Harley by like 3 to 6 months. So you can go up and then kind of set the speed. All right, cool. I like it a lot. I do. It's so much fun. It's so nimble. I'm gonna try the adventure mode, and I'm gonna get on top of some potholes. See how that feels. Where are you, potholes? I'm looking for you. I do like this bike a lot. That's all I can say today. Literally, I can't say anything else about this. other than the fact that I really digging this bike. Looking for cons, other than the seat, I don't know if there are any. This feels really good. I just wonder where the speakers are, because I see volume up, volume down. Where are the speakers? Oh yeah, here. Mode, give me adventure mode. I want to take all of these. It feels so good. I didn't even feel that bump. You don't even feel it, dude. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take that. Barely. You barely feel that. Yeah, like other than the seat, I don't see anything else that I don't like about this bike. Maybe the grips. But dude, this is just a fun ass bike overall. Like, it's a really well built bike and I like it a lot. Too bad this demo ride's gonna end right now, but it's all good. This will definitely not be the last time of me riding a Pan America. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this this demo ride with me on board the Pan America, the 2022 Harley Davidson Pan America, first adventure bike, and honestly one of the greatest bikes I feel that Harley's ever built. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please do me a favor, hit that like button so that way YouTube can, you know, get my videos out a little more. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Somebody's getting a nice delivery today. Subscribe to the channel, and you know, leave your thoughts on the comments if you've ever ridden a Pan America before. Let me know what you guys think. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next ride.